Hey, Caleb.
You guys should find, oh,
Right
hey,
here.
look at the size of this washer.
Wow, what the hell's this?
Oh, fuck. There's turning
You go in there.
off switch.
Can I get on? Can I get in?
There's someone in there already. Hey, guys.
All alone, you selfish bastard. The fuck?
Look at me. I just popped backwards.
Come on.
Help!
How did you do this?
Corner, get up!
What? Wait, Caleb, wait, you get up and do it again, but without moving. You just dance, you just balance. Hold on. And look what happens to me whenever I hit it. Oh no!
Alright guys, later. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Oh, and then I can't get up!
Come on, get in!
Oh, I broke my leg.
Get
Look at my leg.
How do you guys do that? I wanna know.
Look at my leg.
Hit the ragdoll at the top.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, we're about
Oh my god, just glitch out! I just filled up the world. What the fuck?
I lost my legs and arms. I'm just...
It's just a torso and head. I'm still alive, Dominic. Help! Ah! It's the same damn thing.
Oh my god, Halo, what the hell happened to you? Oh, I see now your torso. Where's Caleb?
I don't know. Where is Caleb?
Caleb?
Where's Caleb, huh?
What happened to you? Did you glitch out as well?
Yeah, I fell out as a body. There's nothing left. Hey, wait. I got an idea.
Wait, what?
Wait, let's ragdoll down these stairs. Look at my arm. This is not look
Wait,
healthy.
I'm the only one still in here. Oh my god.
Oh,
Iron, look at my arm. Look at my arm, help.
Okay.
Oh,
Guys.
I can get up. Okay,
Oh,
there we go.
my arms.
Oh my
and
god, what
legs
happened to your
came back.
arms?
We're good.
let's do it again. Let's do it
Guys, we're
again.
good.
Let's
We're
do
good.
it again.
My arms and legs came. They
No,
just magically
no, wait.
reappeared.
Wait, bye bye!
They just magically reappeared. What the heck? I just died.
I like how I just fucking fall.
Oh! Whenever you turn ragdoll, you
Oh,
your person
no!
dies.
Here we go again! No! Don't!
Ah! God. Dominic, help! I see
Oh my buddy! All I have is a torso!
I have left is my head, my torso, and my leg. All I have left are my Dominic, come over here. Let's fall down the stairs.
Give up to me. Come here.
Where are you guys? Caleb, where did you
Hey,
go?
you wait for him. Get
Caleb,
over
where
here.
did you go? Where did you go, Caleb? Oh, I'm all alone.
Dominic, help!
Where are you, Caleb? I can see you.
Help! Help us! Help us, Iron!
I can't see.
We're just fall one together.
I can't see Caleb. Where's Caleb?
Going everywhere.
Me and Caleb died. We climbed into a small one together and started it.
I can get up. Help. Oh, I have a torso.
Help us, Iron. Help
I can't!
us.
I can't! I'm stuck here! No, I'm not. I'm stuck.
Your
Where are you
arm
guys?
at my face.
Go downstairs. Wait, we
let's-
gotta do this all three together.
Where are you
Caleb, get
guys?
your arm out of my face.
Get your face out of my arm.
Where the hell are you guys? I can see you!
Get your ass out of my ass.
That's not your arm. That's not That's the Iron. Caleb, why is the torso in my face?
Help!
Caleb, why is the back of your torso in my face?
Why's your face in my ass? The last thing that went through my mind as that
Hey,
started
guys.
up was my ass.
Hold on, wait, no. Do not start it. Oh my god. I just see a jumbo of body parts laying on the ground. Wait, stop, stop. No, no, no.
Oh my god, what's going on?
You wait, Dominic.
Where's my stuff, you guys? He just gives me.